Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's particularly relevant for expecting moms: how to prevent blackheads during pregnancy. But before we jump into the tips, I have an exciting resource to share with you. Are you looking to enhance your makeup skills and feel fabulous during your pregnancy journey? Look no further. The 100 Makeup Tips PDF book is packed with expert advice to help you look and feel your best. Check out the link in the description below to grab your copy today and elevate your makeup game. All right, let's get into it. Pregnancy brings about a lot of changes in our bodies, including hormonal fluctuations that can lead to pesky blackheads. But fear not, we've got some tried and tested tips to keep those blackheads at bay. Tip number 1. Cleanse your skin regularly with a gentle, pregnancy-safe cleanser. This helps remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities from your pores, preventing blackheads from forming. Look for products with ingredients like glycolic acid or salicylic acid, which are safe for use during pregnancy. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin hydrated and supple. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to maintain healthy skin from the inside out. Tip number 3. Incorporate gentle exfoliation into your skincare routine. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells that can clog pores and lead to blackheads. Opt for a mild exfoliator and use it 2 to 3 times a week to reveal smoother, clearer skin. Tip number 4. Don't skip moisturizer. Keeping your skin moisturized is key to preventing blackheads. Choose an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer to hydrate your skin without clogging pores. And finally, tip number 5. Protect your skin from the sun. Pregnancy hormones can make your skin more sensitive to the sun's harmful UV rays, which can exacerbate blackheads and other skin issues. Wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher daily to shield your skin and prevent sun damage. So there you have it, 5 simple tips to prevent blackheads during pregnancy and keep your skin glowing. And don't forget to check out the 100 Makeup Tips PDF book to elevate your beauty routine. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.